part of our class is printers. You can read that here. Okay, last this I'll start with the table.
Good afternoon, Sir Demar. Good afternoon, Ma'am Kaluyo. Good afternoon, classmates. Good afternoon.
Okay, class, this is our new lesson. Okay, so our first lesson is what about proper storage of land. So open me. So class, proper storage of lands. Okay, so hindi lang those ang storage natin. So medyo mga plants na natin ay kailangan din natin ng storage din. Lalong-lalo na dito sa number 1, seedlings. First, dapat keep in shaded, ventilated area. Second, avoid direct sunlight. Third, water properly. And fourth, do not overcrowd. So, if you can see the picture class, nakashaded talaga siya. At hindi crowded yung mga seedlings natin. Okay. So, pag ganitong mga seedlings na class, dapat gamitin natin yung mag-water tayo, gamitin natin yung ganito. Hindi siya, then kung mag-water tayo ng plants, diba, nandiyan natin na kami dito na do not direct sun, plants talaga dapat. Hindi basta mag-water. Okay. So, in that nga, the following is under that for seedlings. Okay. So, second, under the proper storage of plant and crop production is the harvested crops. Okay. So, sinabi natin harvested crops. Ano ang side? Yung crops natin ba? Kapag mag-harvest na tayo. Okay. So, if you can see the picture, diba? Naka-separate. Okay. First, dapat ay clean and dry crops. Second, store in cool, dry place. Third, use clean crates. Fourth, separate damage and rocks. So, ano ang tinatawag na crates dito, class? Yung nalagyan. Itong box na to, ang tawag dito ay crates. Okay, so dapat cool. Cool ang place na kung saan nyo nilalagay yung mga hinaharvest natin crops. Hindi siya pwedeng mainitan. Okay. Clean and dry crops. Separate damage and separate damage crops. Dapat nakaseparate yung damage at saka hindi damage. Nakaseparate yung hinog at saka hindi hinog. So, if you see the picture, nakaseparate talaga siya. Dahil sa ang proper na harvest ang mga crops na tinatanim namin. Okay. Lastly, planting materials, seeds and cutting. So, keep free from moisture. So, yung mga seeds natin dapat hindi basag. Okay. So, what are the importance of proper storage? Diba sa proper.
sa'yo man.
So this is the importance of proper storage. First, prevent spoilage. Avoid pest and disease. Reduce losses and maintain quality and safety. So kapag proper yung pag-storage natin ng mga plants, ito yung mga importance niya. Okay, so naintindihan. Any question, class? Any question? Okay, so we forward to another topic. Okay, so our second topic is about storage of in agricultural crop production. Can we complete? Okay, so under the storage of tools and equipment, number one is the importance of proper storage. Okay, sa mga tools ito. So, pag proper ang pag-storage natin ng mga tools, mapiprevent natin yung rust, accident, damage, and extend tool lifespan. Ano pa? Maintain organized workplace, save time and money. Okay, so yan, kapag proper ang pag-storage natin ng mga tools natin, extend tool lifespan.